Hey, Steve DeHunt here from PMS Brick Pavers. We're the guys out here on a front walkway project, retaining walls. Really wanted to make a grand entrance. Unfortunately, this was installed 4 years ago and it was completely destroyed. You could just tell by the cutting or lack thereof, the way the material was stacked, everything was leaning over and falling. The walkway was roughly an inch or two lower. And when we got into this project to take out the first few pavers and dug, there was absolutely no base. It was just laid on an inch to two of slag sand. So we had to dig the whole project out and rebase everything. We used our load support grid, all of our crushed stone. We redid all the drainage so that way everything is flowing and we're able to alleviate the water by punching holes at the bottom so it can escape. Really took water consideration here, and this whole project essentially had to be redone within 4 years.